Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search using image in Gemini AI. If you didn't know, if you insert an image in Gemini AI, it will tell you about it, and sometimes it might be inaccurate or sometimes it might not show it. But if you go ahead and press on the image icon and press on got it, you will see that you can enter an image and then search for it. Let me search for this image. Let me give it a prompt to ask who this person is in the photo, and let's see the result of our prompt. You should wait for a while and Gemini AI will tell you what is happening in this picture. As you can see, it tells a story as it can't recognize the people in the photo. So go to upload photo, enter another photo, and let me ask it to you again about this picture over here. After you've typed it, wait for a while and let's see if Gemini AI will recognize this photo. So it doesn't recognize this photo. Let us add another photo, and this time I will ask it which Pokemon is this. As you can see, it is loading, and then this time the image search has worked. So it has described what type of Pokemon is this and about all of the description. So the Gemini AI has some issues with the image search, and it might be updated and can be advantageous in the future. But for now, it doesn't recognize the people in the photo. It works sometimes and it doesn't work sometimes. So you can try this feature of Gemini AI. So this is how you can search using image in Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.